So I'm going to make a foreshortened plane here. I'm going to put a vanishing point directly above that. And I'm not going to use a special vanishing point for this. I have my central vanishing point, I have my front edge. I'm just going to pick a back edge for this square. Now I have to be careful. I can't put the back edge here. That would be a rectangle, and if I were to try to curve in there, it would be an oval. So the distance from here up to the back, whatever this edge, has to be a lot smaller than this, like a lot smaller than this distance. So I'm just eyeing this out. Okay, I'm saying this is a foreshortened square here, and I need 4 points to draw my ellipse. How do I get the side points? I need to find the center. Remember, to find the center, you cross your diagonals. Now when I cross this next diagonal, it should go right through there. So now all I need to do is draw a horizontal line through the center here. And I have my side points. Again, notice how much longer this is than this is here. They represent the same distance into depth, but it's so much bigger because of the foreshortening that's happening. Now these lines, if I extend either one of these lines out, this line would actually make would lead out to my special vanishing point left and could be a diagonal measuring line. If I wanted to repeat this pattern out, I could use that line to do that. But I don't need to do that. So these have different vanishing points. I'm just using the same piece of paper, but they're not drawn in relation to each other. So in this case, you think that the ellipse is going to hit here. It's going to hit here. It's going to intersect right in the front. And it's going to intersect right in the back before curving forward. Now the thing that we don't have is we don't have these extra points to help guide us in drawing this curve. So you have to feel it out. Remember, when you get to here, you don't want to curve forward too soon. You want this to gently come forward. So you see how I'm adjusting that curve? When I do this, I like to draw in sections like this. I like to start a curve that I know is going to reach over that way, that I know is going to be tangent and that point, and then start to curve in and reach this way. And the same thing back here. I'll kind of draw a line reaching out. Now it's a little not balanced here, right? This may be running, this is a little bit low and this might be a little bit high over here. Okay, it's okay to restate the line again and again, but then you do need to clean up. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do with this So I just want you to, just a reminder of the two different ways these were drawn. This ellipse looks pretty good to me. If you can draw in this way, if you have a gridded plane in, then you can use this technique.